A systematic review and meta-analysis is one of the strongest forms of evidence in medical and health research. A systematic review carefully collects and evaluates all relevant studies on a specific question, while a meta-analysis combines the numerical results of those studies to produce an overall estimate. Together, they help researchers move beyond individual studies and identify the bigger picture. One of the key statistical concepts is effect size. This measures the strength of a treatment, risk factor or association across different studies. Depending on the type of data, researchers may use measures such as risk ratio, odds ratio, mean difference or standardized mean difference. The effect size allows results from multiple studies to be compared and combined. Another important concept is heterogeneity, which refers to how similar or different the included studies are. If study results vary greatly, researchers assess this using statistics such as I superscript 2. Low heterogeneity suggests that studies are producing consistent findings, while high heterogeneity indicates greater variation that needs careful interpretation. Researchers also calculate confidence intervals, which show the range within which the true effect is likely to lie. A narrow confidence interval suggests a more precise estimate, while a wider interval indicates greater uncertainty. To ensure reliable conclusions, systematic reviews assess study quality and risk of bias. This step helps determine whether the evidence is trustworthy and whether certain studies may have influenced the results unfairly. In simple terms, a systematic review asks, "What does all the evidence say?" and a meta-analysis asks, "What is the combined statistical answer?" Understanding these basic concepts helps researchers interpret scientific evidence more confidently and make better evidence-based decisions in healthcare and research.